What does the learning sciences say about how to design for collaborative learning? You work in small groups, you collaborate to learn. Then you have the collaborative processes, the discourse processes. Students, they talk, they argue in a group work, discourse processes. And what you want them is to develop the knowledge and competencies. What we want is to be able to stimulate the cognitive processes that will lead to learning. Many different processes can occur. So which are the processes which are beneficial in collaborative learning? Some of research in education psychology, in learning sciences, they look at all these cognitive processes. They look into these mechanisms. So they want to provoke opportunities for students to explain to each other, develop it as a kind of a practice, a routine, so that when they are alone, they can also do some form of self-explanation. And processes are collaborative when they have to resolve some discrepancy, where they have to resolve different viewpoints, where they have argument over something, they negotiate. So these are processes which are characterized as collaborative, leading to learning. So the question becomes how to design for this to happen. It means a lot about designing the collaborative task, right? If the collaborative task can be done by one person, then it does not bring about these kind of processes that lead to collaboration. So you have to bring about these processes of argumentation, negotiation, mutual regulation, explanation. And as part of these processes, students in the group, they develop a shared understanding of the topic. In fact, some people define collaboration as developing a shared understanding of what they are learning on the topic of the skill and knowledge. You can talk, negotiate, discuss something until your group members understand it mutually. How to bring about this shared understanding? So the ways to do collaboration might follow a collaboration script. You can pre-plan. Pre-plan is like doing a lesson plan, designing the script for the collaboration. For example, you might get students to articulate their individual positions to a problem. And then you put students who hold very diverse opinions together in the same group so that there's opportunity for them to argue, for them to resolve their discrepancies. And then during the actual collaboration itself, help students to mutually regulate each other first before they learn how to self-regulate. Okay, so here's a process view of collaboration. You want to teach domain skills, right? Or you want to teach collaboration skills. And maybe it's useful to think about this distinction, make a distinction between learning to collaborate versus collaborate to learn.